In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix TickTick app not working. If you are experiencing any challenge with the app, maybe it is not opening, it is too slow, or even it keeps on stopping, or any other related challenge, then let me show you how you can fix this. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Alright, to fix TickTick app, you need first to visit the app info page. You can do this by first going to settings on your phone, and from settings look for apps. Now under apps, look for manage apps or all apps, and this will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, search for TickTick and here it is. If you tap on it, now we are on TickTick app info page. Here, first go to force stop. This will stop any background activities that might be causing this issue. Then go to clear data and clear cache. Okay, and finally clear all data. Once you are done, start your smartphone, and now if you go open your TickTick app, it should be running without any issue. However, should this not fix your problem, then you want to check and see if we have any update for this app. To do that, you need to go to Google Play Store if you're on Android like me, or App Store if you're on iPhone. So I'll go to Play Store and then search for TickTick app and see if we have any update it to the latest version. Once you have updated, now everything should be sorted. However, if your app still keeps stopping, that implies most likely your app has bugs. To fix the bugs, you need to uninstall the app from your Google Play Store app and then install it afresh. Now by doing this, now you should have fixed your app, and your app now should be running without any issue. So let me know which of this was able to fix your app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.